So this is video 9 in our jump rope tutorial series. And in this video, we're gonna learn a little footwork move. I don't even know if it's like a real move or not. I call it the lateral swing. And just to help explain it, picture's worth 1,000 words. Well, a video must be 1,000,000. So it goes like this.
Good.
So you swing left to right. Let me show you on the side as well. So you start with a normal boxer step, and then you start swinging, and then you go back to your normal boxer step, and then start swinging. The cool thing about this move is once you get really comfortable with it, you can incorporate other moves on top of it, namely the crossover with both sides. So imagine you're swinging and you're crossing. So once you get into the middle, you cross, go through it, and then you keep swinging. Let me see if I can pull this off. It's a pretty cool move, but it requires a lot of timing. So start swinging, get comfortable, and then I'm gonna try to do the cross.
Right.
That was just crossing with one way. Now I'm gonna try alternating crosses. So it's a hard move. That's why I'm gonna save it for the advanced series. So when you're getting used to the swing, there's really two elements. One is you're starting just with your boxer step, and then you gotta push. So depending if you're left or right, that's gonna determine what side you wanna swing first. It doesn't really matter. What you really wanna be concerned with is just making sure that everything is good with the timing. The first thing to do is just start with a small swing. So you don't have to move very much, and then you can kind of push the boundaries. Here I got a nice kind of, tiles that'll show me how far I'm swinging, but let's just start like this. So now you're back on 2 feet, but you're just swinging, and then push the swing. Notice how my rope sounds like a metronome, because you got to keep your timing. Everything's got to be perfect. So listen as you're swinging. Do like a little clock, and then try to push how far you can swing each way. So in terms of learning this skill, start with the boxer step, get back onto 2 feet, and then just start swinging, and then just keep pushing how much you're swinging, like you're a pendulum, going back and forth. But the key is you should be a metronome, a human metronome with that jump rope. So listen to the sound, or you could do this with music that's already on a beat, jump on that same beat, and then just keep swinging. So I'll show it to you on the side again. So little swing, pushing it. Let's try that crossover at this length. Oh, it's really hard. Let me try it again. Alternating crossovers. This is where oh, here we go. Almost got it there. So it's a great move. It's kind of a lateral side swing. Great when you're listening to music, but it really comes down to the timing of your rope. You should be on a nice consistent beat, and then push your swing. So start small, and if you can jump on 2 feet, you can swing a little bit, and then just keep pushing it and get that timing. It's really gonna help not only develop your footwork, but the coordination between your hands, the rope, and your feet. So it's a great jump rope drill for your footwork. Be sure to also subscribe to my YouTube channel. I got an entire playlist of all these other jump rope videos. And we're gonna, as we continue making them, we can get more and more into advanced moves. And there's drills in there as well that you can practice so you can get good at jump rope really fast. I'm Andy Baryer, Handy Andy. See you again in the next video.